Post-mastectomy exercise. The purposes of post-mastectomy exercises are to reduce after surgery limitations in shoulder range of motion, regain and maintain normal movement in your arms and shoulders, and it helps to reduce pain in the chest wall, shoulders, neck and back. Return to the day activities faster, such as dressing, bathing and driving. Keep to help the muscles strong, improve overall well-being. Instructions: begin the exercises the day after the surgery. Plan to take the pain medications 20 to 30 minutes before doing the exercise. Breathe deeply and often as you do each exercise. Do the exercises 3 times a day every day until you have regained full range of motion in the arm. Try to do the exercises daily so you do not forget. For example, you could do the exercise after breakfast, lunch and dinner. Stage 1 exercises to do while you have drain in place. First one is pump it up. This exercise helps reduce swelling after surgery by using the muscles as a pump to improve the circulation in the affected arm on the same side as the surgery. So this is the surgery. So mainly it helps to improve the strength of the pump arm. Lie on your unaffected side with your affected arm straight out, resting on top of a pillow. Slowly bend the elbow while making a fist at the same time. Next, slowly straighten your elbow while opening your fist at the same time. Repeat this pumping motion 15 to 20 times. Shoulder circles. This exercise can be done sitting or standing. It's a good warm-up exercise and can help relieve tension in the shoulders. So this is the mainly helps to strengthen the shoulder and relieve the tension in the shoulder. Lift both shoulders up toward your ears. Keep your chin tucked in slightly. Gently rotate both shoulders forward and then slowly down and back, making a circle. Make 5 slow circles in one direction, then switch and make 5 slow circles in the opposite direction. Arm lifts. This exercise can be done sitting or standing. It helps to improve movement in the shoulders. This is the exercise, helps to improve the shoulders, strengthen the shoulder. This exercise you can do by sitting or either standing. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest. Point your elbows out. Slowly lift your arms upwards until you feel a gentle stretch but no pain. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then slowly return to the start position. Repeat the exercise for 5 to 10 times. Shoulder blade squeeze. This exercise can be done sitting, that is without resting your back on the chair, or standing. It helps to stretch your chest muscles. This is the exercise, helps to strengthen the chest muscle. Hold your arms at your side against your body with your elbows bent. Slowly bring the elbows straight backwards while squeezing your shoulder blades together to feel a gentle stretch. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds and then slowly return to the start position. Remember to keep breathing out the stretch. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Stage 2 exercises to do after your drains have been removed. You no longer need to do the previous exercise. Wand exercise. You will need a wand to do this exercise. Try a broom handle, stick or cane. This is the band exercise. We need stick, broom, either stick or broom or cane. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Hold the wand with both hands. Your hands should be as wide apart as your shoulders. Lift the wand over your head as far as you can until you feel a stretch. Your unaffected arm will help lift the wand higher. Hold for 5 seconds, then gently lower arms. Repeat 5 to 10 times. To progress, repeat exercise with the hands slightly wider than your hips or shoulders. Next one is winging it. This exercise helps stretch the front of your chest and shoulder. This is the winging it. This helps to strengthen or stretch the shoulder. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Touch your fingertips to your ears with your elbows pointed to the ceiling. Move your elbows apart until you feel a gentle stretch but no pain. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds and then slowly return to the start position. Remember to keep breathing throughout the stretch. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Snow angel. This exercise helps to stretch the tight tissue in the armpit area and increases movement in your shoulders. So this is the exercise helps to fit the armpit area. Lie on the back and extend your arms at your sides. Move your arms up over your head, leading with your thumbs, eventually touching your fingers at the top. Next, move your arms back down to your sides as if you are making an angel in the snow. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Next one is wall climbing. This exercise helps increase movement in the shoulder. Try to reach a little higher on the wall each day. This exercise is done in 2 positions. First one is facing the wall and with your affected side to the wall. So this is the exercise we can do by facing the wall. Facing the wall. Stand facing the wall. Place the palm of your hand of your affected arm flat against the wall. Slowly slide your hand up the wall as high as you can go until you feel a stretch but no pain. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Return to the start position. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Side wall stretch. Side wall stretch. Stand with your affected side to the wall. Place the palm of your hand flat against the wall. Slowly slide your hand up the wall as high as you can go until you feel a stretch. Do not rotate your body toward the wall. Keep your body facing forward even if it means you can't go up as high. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Return to the start position. Repeat 5 to 10 times. So this is the side facing by using the affected arm. By using the affected arm, you can see how she is climbing the wall. Next, side wall stretch. Stand with your affected side to the wall. Place the palm of your hand flat against the wall. Slowly slide your hand up the wall as high as you can go until you feel a stretch. Do not rotate your body toward the wall. Keep your body facing forward even if it means you can't go up as high. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Return to the start position. Side bends. This exercise is more advanced and can be performed once a day when you feel ready. This is the side bend exercise. At least you can do once a day once you are feeling you're ready. Sit in a chair and clasp your hands together in your lap. Slowly lift your arms over your head. Bend at your waist to move your body to the right. Use your right hand to gently pull the left arm to the little farther to the right. Hold this position for 5 seconds and then slowly return to the start position. Repeat to this stretch to the left side using your left hand to pull your right arm farther. Remember, it may take 6 to 8 weeks to regain full movement of your arms. If you continue to have difficulties regaining full movement in your arms and shoulders after this time, please ask your surgeon for a referral to physiotherapy and occupational therapy for follow-up. Thank you.